Today, we show you how to make a healthy vegan lemon tart dessert. Let's prepare flax eggs by mixing flax seeds with water and stirring. Flax eggs are a vegan alternative to eggs. Let them cool in the fridge. Meanwhile, we'll prepare nuts and oat flour. Let's start by taking a tray and filling it with the rolled oats and cashew nuts. Spread the content evenly over the tray and bake for 15 minutes. Once cooked, let's grind the nuts and oats to make our flour mix. Now, take a bowl and add in the flour mix and the flax eggs. Continue by adding in the rapeseed oil, maple syrup, baking powder, vanilla extract, and give it all a vigorous stir until you get a firm and sticky dough. Take a pie dish and brush it with some oil. Add in the dough and press it against the tin. Make sure you evenly flatten the dough over the dish, especially against the rim. Now, cover it with baking paper and fill the tray with baking beads to keep the tart base flat as it cooks. Bake the base for 35 minutes. Once cooked, remove the beads and paper and take out the tart from the tin. Start filling the tart with vegan lemon curd, making sure you cover it almost to the top. To learn how to make vegan lemon curd, check the link in the description. The tart is ready. We suggest you top it with your favorite fruits or spreads. We recommend coconut flakes, strawberries, blueberries, and some almond flakes. Now go and enjoy this delicious vegan dessert. Hi there! Thanks for watching this to the end. If you like what you saw, please help us grow our channel by following us and by liking and sharing the video. Thank you and have a great day!